Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a deep fried Polish sausage. Okay, so first step, we got our Polish sausage right here. And I already did 2 of them. We're just going to cut us some little lines in there, like so. See that? It's going to give it a nice little look to it. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to need some onion. This is a half an onion. And this is some relish, okay? This is a particular type of relish. It's neon relish. And it's hard to find those anywhere, so you can just use regular relish. So anyway, you just want to come in here and cut this, just like this. Okay. Just like that. Then we're going to turn it this way. You can see the lines in there. We're just going to come this way with it. Spread it out a little bit. That's all you're doing, guys. Okay? And that's how we cut them lines in there. Just like so. Alright? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this one up. And then I'll take you guys over there to the deep fry. See you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm cooking this at a temperature of 350. We're just going to drop these bad boys in here. We're going to cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes. It don't take long at all. Alright, when that gets done, I'll show you how that looks. Okay guys, I'm back. This is how you always want to look when it's done. Okay. That's deep fried Polishes right there. Alright, I'm just showing you that real quick. We're going to go ahead and start working on these veggies. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to go ahead and put our ingredients on here. We're going to come in with some mustard on both sides. Like so. Come in here with some onions. Much as you want. Like so. Come in here with some relish. And when I tell you that this stuff tastes off the chain, I'm not lying to you guys. Fry you up some of these Polishes, whether it's beef or pork or turkey or whatever. It just tastes that much amazing. I will suggest when you do fry them up, make sure you have like some older grease, like some chicken grease or something like that. Not no fish grease, but at least some chicken grease. And it's going to it's going to taste amazing. All right, so that's how that look, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on a plate with all my other stuff, and I'll show you how that looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this deep fried Polish sausage. Okay, I got some tater tots over here and a little ketchup, and this is going to be my meal for today. I'll show you that up close. Alright fam, if you like this recipe, guys, please give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit this bell for me, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love.